In this video, I'll show you how to reset Roku remote. Step 1. Identify your remote type. Simple IR remote. No pairing button, uses line of sight. Enhanced voice remote. Has a pairing button inside battery compartment or the back of the remote. Step 2. Reset simple IR infrared remote. Remove the batteries. Replace them with fresh batteries ensuring correct polarity. Make sure there are no obstructions between remote and Roku device. Test remote functionality by pointing it directly at Roku and pressing buttons. Step 3. Reset enhanced voice remote. Remove the remote batteries. Unplug the Roku device for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for the Roku home screen to appear. Reinsert the batteries into the remote. Press and hold the pairing button inside the battery compartment or back of remote for about 5 seconds until the pairing light flashes. Wait for the on-screen confirmation that the remote is paired. Step 4. Use Roku mobile app as alternative. If resetting doesn't help, install the Roku mobile app on your smartphone. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device and use the app as a remote. Step 5. Contact support if needed. If none of the above work, contact Roku support for further assistance or consider replacing the remote. And that is how you reset your Roku remote. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.